Hello and welcome to the Rocwood YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the EZY Mover Jockey Wheel. Here's what the box looks like, featuring the Rocwood logo along with a picture of the product and voltage along with watts. Modern caravans are heavy. This simple add-on allows you to move them with ease both forwards and reverse. This motorised jockey wheel is designed with the same fitting clamp as a normal jockey wheel to make installation and operation simple and easy. If you fancy working on your muscles, you can disengage the clutch and the jockey wheel will move manually. It comes with a 12-month domestic user warranty, business or continuous use will validate any warranty. An instruction manual along with the safety information for the jockey wheel is also provided inside the box. The jockey wheel comes mostly complete, being wrapped in plastic. All of the extra items are packed separately in a cardboard box inside the big cardboard box. When the clutch is disengaged, the operator can move the jockey wheel manually. Here is the main jockey wheel outside of its plastic bag. It comes with a mounting plate already attached to the jockey wheel. In addition, it also comes with some screws to attach the handle to, along with the washers and bolts. Some zip ties are provided to tidy up the cables, and here's the instruction manual again. In addition, these screws are available to be able to tighten the handle on. In addition, some mounting screws are also available to mount it to the caravan. There are 4 of those provided. Here's the cable to attach the jockey wheel to the 12-volt battery. A 12-volt battery is not provided. And finally, here is a padlock and key to lock the jockey wheel onto your vehicle so that it doesn't get stolen. Here is the handle. It can collapse down into a few sections and also features a switch on the end of it. To assemble the jockey wheel, we have to twist this little screw into the handle to be able to secure it. It is nice and tight, so the handle cannot be pulled out when the jockey wheel is in motion. Be careful not to squish the wire when putting the screws in. An Allen key along with the spanner will be required. You can also move up the mounting points on the jockey wheel. As you can see, there are 5 different slots for it to be put in. Here's the jockey wheel complete. As you can see, it's nice and sturdy. I put the winch plate on the lowest setting. It balances on one sturdy wheel with rubber grip to make sure it has plenty of traction. The cable plugs into the back, along but also has a protective cover for both ends. The screw is held on nice and tight, along with there's also a handle on the top for you to raise and lower. Support on the front to be able to connect the 12-volt battery, which also comes with a cover on it as well. Here are the specifications for the jockey wheel. The motor power is 550 watts, the speed is 67 meters per minute, the gear ratio is 494:1, the brake is automatic, it's got a 7-degree incline, its minimum clearance is 14 inches, the maximum vehicle load on level road is 2,722 kilograms or 6,000 pounds, and the maximum jockey wheel load is 498 kilograms or 1,100 pounds. On the screen now is a video on how to use this jockey wheel from a similar brand. It's from Everything Caravan and Camping if you would like to know more. You will need your own 12-volt battery as this jockey wheel does not come with one. Here's an example of what it looks like on the screen.